Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, especially about the 2023 presidential election held in Nigeria on February 25, 2023. And you and I know that we are still living under the outcome of that election. And what is happening in the country today is because of what happened in that election. Now, one of the pressing issues at this point in time is how to save the naira and how to make the country productive. That is why in this video we're going to talk about the demand by Chief Abure, the national chairman of the Labour Party, calling on the Labour Party lawmakers to reject the 160 million naira SUV that had been made available to them, and it's an interesting issue that we have to talk about right now, because the Labour Party itself know that the Labour Party lawmakers, they should know that they are different from the APC and the PDP. The only reason why Nigerians voted for many of them who are not, they were not career politicians, never believe in their lives that they will ever be in the National Assembly. The only reason why Nigerians voted for them was because Nigerians wanted a change. Nigerians didn't vote for Labour Party lawmakers to go to National Assembly and begin to behave like the PDP and the APC. The naira is collapsing every day on a daily basis. Right now, the naira is heading south. There are already projections that by the first month of next year or thereabout, naira is going to be exchanging at 1,500 naira to the dollar. That projection, I'm telling you, came from Bloomberg. That is the Bloomberg analysis. That is, according to Bloomberg, the naira can only get its proper value when it gets to 1,500 naira to the dollar. I don't think that's what Nigerians want. And to be able to do it, it means that we have to conserve our foreign exchange reserves. It means that this country have to be more productive. When Peter Obi was talking about moving the nation from consumption to production, it is basically to be able to reduce importation and increase exportation so that the naira could become strong based on productivity. Now, how do you explain a situation where the naira is at this present level and the lawmakers of the Federal Republic of Nigeria are awarding themselves luxury cars imported from abroad? Already, the information out there in the media is that the leadership of the National Assembly plans to procure 109 Toyota Land Cruisers for senators and Toyota Proda for 360 members of the House of Representatives. Now, if this kind of thing is acceptable to the PDP and the APC, who we know from their record, they are the reason why Nigeria is judged the most corrupt country in the world. They are the reason why Nigeria is the poverty capital of the world. Labour Party should not be part of that mess. And that is why this channel is agreeing with Abure, the national chairman of Labour Party, that the Labour Party lawmakers must be able to show a difference. And let them know this. Any of those lawmakers from Labour Party who collect these things should know that they are now ranked at the same thing as Labour, as PDP and APC. And their chances of returning to the National Assembly is going to be difficult. Or they should know it. Their chances of returning, they should know it. They better know that Nigerians are angry with the profligate going on at the National Assembly. In any case, what stopped the National Assembly if they must get new vehicles? What stopped them from purchasing the vehicles from N160 Motors or from Peugeot Nigeria? Why must they import vehicles at this huge expense? At spending the scarce dollars that should be for productive purposes just for the importation of cars. Cars that are wasting assets, that has no value. So the best thing that the lawmakers of the Labour Party should do now is to request that they give them the money so that they can use it and buy their own vehicles from N160 Motors or from Peugeot Nigeria. They must not accept the vehicles, the Proda or whatever, the Toyota from abroad. No. They must be able to show the difference. Because if they begin to behave, if they continue to behave like the APC and the PDP, then what is the difference between them? Why should Nigerians trust them with power? They ought to be able to show a difference. So the best thing for them is go to the National Assembly leadership, collect the money, the Naira equivalent or whatever equivalent they will give them, if it is in dollars, whatever, they should collect it and go and purchase their vehicles from N160 Motors or Peugeot Nigeria. If there are some balance in the money, they can use it and do any developmental activity in their constituencies. In fact, they should even be able to do that so that they will show a difference between them and the highly corrupt APC and PDP lawmakers. That is what they should do, to differentiate themselves. Because if they collect it, they will know that that's the end of their political career going forward. Though. Because Nigerians will mark them out as not being any different from PDP and APC. And it's not good for the politics of Labour Party. It is not good for the new Nigeria that many Nigerians expected Labour Party to be at the vanguard of making a reality in Nigeria. Already there are so much disappointment going on about the Labour Party lawmakers. They have gone to the National Assembly, many of them who never knew in their life that they will ever be in National Assembly. And some of them were offered juicy committee chairman and or whatnot. It seems they have lost their senses and their mind. The reason why Nigerians put them there. Many of them, they didn't campaign. They didn't spend any money. Many of them, even the nomination form was given to them free. They should not overstretch their luck up to what is happening right now. The good fortune they are enjoying now. It is all because of one man, because of Peter Obi. Whether they like it or not, the reason why they are in the National Assembly today, most of them from Labour Party, is because of Peter Obi and nothing else. They cannot tell us that it is based on their individual capacity. We know many of them. Many of them have been shoved aside by the PDP. Many of them have been shoved aside by the APC. And they were in a political cul-de-sac. Nowhere for them to go. But the wave, the Peter Obi wave, provided opportunity for them. So they better take advantage of this position and then ingrain themselves in the hearts and minds of Nigerians and their constituents by showing that they are different from the APC and the PDP, that they are not part of the plutocracy of the APC and the PDP that had made Nigeria the poverty capital of the world, that has made Nigeria the most corrupt nation on planet Earth. They have to show a difference. They have to ask themselves, if Peter Obi is in the National Assembly, if Peter Obi is in the Senate, if Peter Obi is in the House of Reps, will he accept these cars, these imported products from Japan? Will he, given the state of Naira, given the state of the economy? They should ask themselves that question. And I can tell you that if they are sincere with themselves, they will know the answer, that Peter Obi will never accept that Peter Obi will not accept this car gift, that he will collect the money and make a purchase from local manufacturers. And the surplus, he will put it in constituency projects that will benefit the people of his constituency. So the best thing they should do, they should listen to Abure. They should show that they are different. They should show that they are different from the APC and the PDP. They should be able to show that they are the future of Nigeria. That these profile girls that has put Nigeria under a position where the economy is in a dire strait, to the level we have to be borrowing money right, left, and center to be able to fund anything, be it our budget or any project at all. They should know it, that they should not be part of that. That people expected something better because of the P2B brand, which they are a beneficiary. They should not do anything that could give the impression that the high cost of governance that has characterized this government. Look at the number of ministers. This is the largest assemblage of ministers this country has ever seen. And this is not even at a time. This is not the Gowon time, when Gowon was said that Nigeria has so much money they don't know what to do with it. We are talking about at a time when the country is having a serious financial predicament. At a time when this country suffered 3 recessions under the APC administration. At a time when Nigeria is the poverty capital of the world and things are really in a very bad shape in this country. That is when you are having the largest government ever in Nigeria's history. That is where you are having Proda Jeeps, Toyota Land Cruiser, and everything else you can think of being imported just for the mere satisfaction, for the mere movement of lawmakers from one point to the other. When such monies could have been preserved for the development of the country. Now they are going to be spending scarce dollars that are beyond the reach of local manufacturers to buy expensive cars because they are lawmakers. And at the end of the day, they will be wondering, why is it that the Naira is going to 1,500 Naira to the dollar? It is all because of the actions and inactions of lawmakers and those in government. So all I can say is, Abure, the national chairman of Labour Party, is right. Labour Party lawmakers must reject that Greek gift from the National Assembly. Those Toyota vehicles must be rejected. And in each place, innocent vehicles and Peugeot assembled cars in Nigeria must be the option. That is the only way Labour Party lawmakers could be able to convince any reasonable Nigerian, that they are different from the PDP and the APC, the two parties that are cesspools of corruption that put Nigeria in its present situation. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.